That little smirk on your face, my smart fire bluebird. Your smooth voice and shivers, feather touches on my surface. Bring me heat up to my skin. Your warmth brings comfort to my heart. My fire burns, sends me life. You heal and bring me love. You heat up my heart and chest. Your touch, it suffocates my lungs as I cannot breathe with each touch. Tears water from my eyes, from the warmth and care you give. Your scent covers my being, marking me as yours. I hear my heart through my ears, from every word you say to me. You bring my heart out as you softly kiss me, taking my air. Oh, my fire burns, sends me life. To heal and bring me love. You bring my heat up, heart and chest. Your touch, it suffocates my lungs as I cannot breathe with each touch. Oh, my fire burns, sends me life. You heal and bring me love. You bring my heat up, heart and chest. Your touch, it suffocates my lungs as I cannot breathe with each touch. Oh, my fire bird, oh my fire bird. Oh my fire bird, oh my fire bird. My fire burns, sends me light. Heal and bring me love. You heal and chest. Your touch, it suffocates my lungs as I cannot breathe with each touch. Oh, my fire burns, sends me life. You heal and bring me love. You bring my heat up, heart and chest. Your touch, it suffocates my lungs as I cannot breathe with each touch. Oh, my fire bird, oh my fire bird.